Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to install the Ubiquiti UniFi U7 long range Wi-Fi access point. So as you can see, it's installed on the wall there. I'm going to take you through how you can install this device. So inside the U7 long range, the box, you have these accessories. And to begin with is the main access point itself, the U7 long range. And then you have this plastic bracket and then the metal plates you're going to need for the installation. So inside the box also you have the screws and then the wall plugs. And then there's an option for the bolts and nuts. If you are installing it at a place, you're going to need that. So inside the box, these are the accessories you will find. And then another thing you will find in there is the leveler. This is the leveler you would need to drill your points where your screws would fit. You need to make sure that the holes in the plastic brackets matches the holes in the metal plates, just as you're seeing on the screen in this very arrangements. And then the next thing we did was to take the leveler and then make sure it was aligned properly and then marked the 4 points inside the leveler. These are the points we are going to drill to install the access point. So take your drill machine and then punch those 4 holes in the wall. If you are installing it in the wall, you need to punch those 4 holes. If you are installing, you can also install this access point on your ceiling. If your ceiling is a wooden ceiling, you can use a drill machine to drill those 4 points and then install it on your ceiling. So after drilling the 4 points, make sure to insert the 4 wall plugs into the holes you make, the 4 holes you made on the wall. This particular video didn't capture that part where we inserted the 4 wall plugs into the holes. So insert the screws in the bracket and then the plates, and then tighten the screws into the wall plugs. Make sure it fits very well onto the wall. The next thing is that when you're installing the access point onto the brackets, the logo, the Ubiquiti logo on the brackets needs to face outside or towards the underside of the access point itself. And then the locks on the brackets need to match that on the underside of the access point. From there, you would need to twist the access point to the left or to the right for the access point to lock onto the brackets, just as has been demonstrated just now in this video. So let's go ahead and then do the actual thing. But first we need to plug in the Ethernet cable or the LAN cable or the network cable into the Ethernet ports inside the access point, run it through the hole, and then you are ready to fit the AP, the access point on the bracket. At this stage, it's a bit tricky, but when you are able to match the brackets, the locks on the brackets with the underside of the access point, it will fit on. And then when it pushes onto the brackets, you just need to twist or slide the access point to the right or to the left, depending on where you are installing the AP. In my case, I slid it or I twisted it to the right to lock it onto the brackets. So you can see the access points fitted onto the brackets very firmly, very solidly indeed in this video. The next thing I did was to run the cable through the trunking, covered it up nicely, and then plugged the other side of the network cable or the Ethernet cable into the network ports or the wall jack And then immediately you plug it into the network. Your access point should start booting up by flashing these white lights on the very front of the AP or the access points. When it's done flashing the white lights, it will turn into a solid blue light, and then that would indicate that your access point has finished or is done booting up and is ready to be connected to. So from here you want to when the blue lights comes on and it's solid like that, it means the access point is ready to be connected to. So from here you can use your phones, your laptops to test the connection to the access point or the AP. You can see it's very nicely on the wall. So this access point is a power over Ethernet device, which means it draws its power through the Ethernet cable or the LAN cable. When it's connected to the network, it will draw its power from the switch that it's connected to. This access point is actually connected to a 48 port Ubiquiti switch, and that is where it is currently drawing its power from, through the connected Ethernet cable. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share the video to support us to bring you more of such videos and to grow this community together. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.